I'm Bethany Hilt, the founder and CEO of Vertere Skin Care, and I wanted to share how to use a gua sha to help detoxify and help reduce puffiness in your skin so that you can look great on your Zoom calls without makeup. So I talked about this in episode 9 of Marketing Myths and Magic. What you want to do is make sure first that you've applied your moisturizer because you want this to glide across the skin. So apply your moisturizer first, neck and face. And then you want to start with your neck. You're going to use this part with the little divot here at the very front of your neck. I usually go upwards about 5 times. And then you're going to go to each side and do it the same number of times, so 5 times. And you want to start with your neck because you need to have space for everything to flow down as you work your way up your face. So now we're going to take this and do the jawline. So if you're starting to get a little jowly, if you have some puffiness in this area, this will really help. Don't be afraid to push. You're not going to hurt your skin. This is helping to move that lymph out of there so that it can drain properly. So again, I'm using 5 on all of these movements. If you want to push it down, if you're really puffy, you can definitely do that. Won't hurt anything. And then again, right here for the cheeks, this will help get rid of any puffiness, help to sculpt your cheeks. And then again on the other side. Now, if you have puffy eyes, you are going to love these next 2 moves. So take one of these corners, go right underneath the eye, and move it out to the temples. And do that 5 times. You can do it more. I wouldn't do it any less than 5 though, because you really want to make a visible difference. And then just do that on the other side. So we're going to just do 5 times. And then for above the eye puffiness, you just want to bring that across. Same thing. You're really going to need it. You'll notice a difference immediately after you do this. And now we're going to do the forehead. So take just one of the sides, go up 5 times, and then take it for the other side of your forehead. And then lastly, that final area of your forehead, and you're all done. Now, it took me a couple minutes to do this because I'm demonstrating, but when you're doing this on your own, you'll be done in 60 seconds. And it's worth it. It will make a huge difference in how your skin looks, especially if you're not wearing makeup on Zoom calls.